You can clearly hear helicopters in the distance. It's 1:58 in the morning. They're attacking Fort Pula.
Venezuela's capital city has been jolted awake in the dead of night, just after 1 a.m. local time. Explosions ripped through Caracas, bright flashes in the sky, deep rumbling blasts, and fires burning on the hillsides. Eyewitness videos flooded social media, showing low-flying aircraft, power outages across southern neighborhoods, and residents running into the streets as air raid sirens screamed.